Hello viewers, today I will teach you exercise of vocabulary of chapter number 1, the mouse deer and the tiger on page number 2. Now in how to solve this exercise, use these words to finish sentences. You may use the words more than once or you may change the form of words. It means you can use these words once or you can use twice or more than it, or you can change the form of words according to the situation. Now the first one. First of all, meaning of these words. Outwit means to play a trick. Persuade means to convince someone. Paws means an animal's food having claws and pads. Behave means the way or to conduct with someone. Especially means you can say used to single out one person or thing over all other. Next is screamed means shout loudly. Blow, the force. Here the blow is used for striking something. It's a force which is used to strike with a great height, or you can say with a great power. Royal means you can say the kings. Calm means relax, having no tension. Struck is a second form of strike. And next is growl. It's a way to shout with anger. Now next is number 1 is to dash someone is to be cleverer than he is and to play a trick upon him. In the story, the mouse deer dashed the tiger 3 times. Now first of all, understand the meaning of this sentence. To dash someone is to be cleverer than he is and to play a trick upon him. It means to dash someone, to make someone fool. It is according to that to outwit. The first blank is outwit. To outwit someone is to be cleverer than he is and to play a trick upon him. In the story, the mouse deer dashed the tiger 3 times. And what did the mouse deer do? He outwit the tiger. So the second blank should be outwits. Here there can be 2 types of blanks. It may be outwits, present simple tense, the 3 times, or you can use the outwitted. Outwitted spelling is outwitted. It means you just have to add ted at the end of this. So outwitted. Now the next is he likes all kinds of fruit dash oranges. So which should be the answer? He likes all kinds of fruits, but dash oranges means he wants to be a specially word is correct here, specially oranges. A brick fell from the house and dash him. A brick fell down from the house and dash him where it should be struck. It's a past simple tense. Strike, second form is struck. Struck him. A dash on his head. A dash is on his head with a great force. It's a growl. It's a blow. Where is blow? Yeah. Blow. Struck him and a blow on his head. So a blow on his head. Next is when the snake bit her, she dashed until someone came to help her. So what happened? She dashed until someone came to help her. It means she screamed. Here the perfect word is screamed until someone came to help her. Now the next is, my father says that I cannot go to the cinema tonight, but I will try to dash him to let me go. But I will try to convince him. So here the word is convince means persuade. So the answer is I will try to persuade him. A policeman never becomes excited. He keeps dash at all time. So what will the answer? He never becomes excited. So it means he keeps calm. He keeps relaxed at all time. We dash the parcel in strong brown paper. We wrapped the parcel in strong brown paper. It's very simple. Wrapped. The dog could not walk very well because it had cut one of its paws. Paws is a foot of animal, you can say. Easy to understand. I hope that you will dash well when I am away, said the teacher. So, which will be the answer here? I hope that you will behave well. The correct answer should be here, the behave well when I am away, said the teacher. The king is coming to this town soon, so the date of the dash visit. So it should be which type of visit? It should be the royal visit. It's very easy. Royal visit has not been decided yet. The dog jumped at the robber with a dash of dash, with a growl of rage. So growl of rage is the answer of 11th. So this is exercise number A. Please subscribe my channel.